I hope the microphone doesn't slam against me continually and cause a whole bunch of static, but we'll see what happens. Let me show you something that Dave and I have had for a while that has never been out of the bag and has never been set up. Now, I'm not too concerned about setting it up. I am quite concerned about taking it down. So, I'll be right back. Dun, dun, dun. WOSPORTS. A pop-up tent that is supposed to be used as either like a shower or a bathroom, or anyway, most of the places I go to have showers, but I do want something for the middle of the night. So I'm just going to set it up inside here because it's raining outside, but I want to try this and see what happens. Okay, so we're out of the case. Let's give it a go. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's four-sided. But it doesn't want to. Oh, here, let's. Ah! Come on! Oh, no. Ah! Well, now, anybody have a trick to this? Anybody know a trick to this? Should I start up here at the top, maybe? I don't know. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Okay, come on now. Ah, come on. Oh, you are not my friend. Oh, there we go. Oh no, come on. Oh, we're getting there. Well, okay, so at this point, I think I would have to, since I'm doing it by myself, I would have to stake down one leg, because I ain't doing much else. But what a... Ah! I don't know if I'll be setting this up every night or not. We'll see what else might be available. And I'm going to now try to fold it back up. Oh my gosh, I have about 20 minutes of Dave and I fighting with that tent, trying to get it folded up. I went and watched multiple videos on it. They all showed the same method, and it did not work at all with our tent. Uh, the way that they showed it bending, like when you're holding it full length and you hold it out, it should bend over. Ours does not. Ours just stands straight up, and it does not bend the way they say that it'll bend. So we never did get it back into the carrier. And I am quite hesitant to even bother taking it with me because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to get it into its container ever again. So I might try it and see if there's some way that I can get it to just slide in there when it's flat. I can make it flat and I can put it up from that flat position. and I can get it back down to that flat position. I just can't get it to roll up into that little ball. Yeah. It's not gonna work for me. So I don't know. I'm a little torn about whether I take it or not. So I guess we'll find out in the end. The car's actually in the shop right now. And when we pick it up, I will then start doing things and putting things in and measuring things and trying to make sure that everything is going to fit in there properly. That'll be fun. I'll record that for you because, hey, you got to get the good and the bad and the ugly of all this car camping that I'm going to attempt. People do it all the time, so it can't be that difficult. Just because I have no clue what I'm doing. It can't be that difficult. I'm sure I'm a smart girl. I can probably figure it out. And it's camping, so if I really get stuck somewhere, I'm sure that most of the campgrounds that I have will have lots of people, and I'll just wander around until I find the one with the most equipment and say, "Hey, come show me how to do this." But yeah, I don't know. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. I'm gonna keep telling myself that until the time comes to go. Okay, so I guess that's it for my video for today. I'm gonna sign off and get back to I gotta put my food together. That's really what I need to do next. I know I said that in the last video and I still haven't done it. And I really need to do it. So I'm gonna go and take care of some of that, packing up my food and getting it ready to go. And yeah, I'll let you know when I get out on the road whether or not I'm bringing the bathroom with me. I mean, I'm still, of course, going to bring my little bucket, like a 5-gallon bucket with a seat on it and bags and stuff. I'm still going to bring that, but we'll have to see what I do to make myself a little privacy shelter for it. So keep your fingers crossed. Alrighty, I will see you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.